How to turn off post views on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can turn off post views on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you know that there was a feature on TikTok known as profile views. If you enable that, it would let the other person know whether or not you have viewed each other's profile. But recently, there is also another feature known as post views, which means that if you view someone's video or post, and if you have enabled this option, it will basically show up to them that you have went ahead and then viewed this. So in order to turn off post views, all you have to do is go ahead and launch TikTok app. Once you launch the TikTok app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen and go to settings and privacy. Then just go to the option called privacy here. And once you go to privacy, just scroll down. Here you can see post views. Currently it's enabled, which means anyone who views your post, or anyone, if you actually go and see the post views, it will basically show up and it will also save as a history. So all you have to do is simply turn this off in order to turn off post views on TikTok. This way you'll be able to turn off post views on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.